Milk spring.
Yeah. Brush, brush, sweep, sweep. I'm done. Huh? What is that sound? Huh?
I can't believe someone stole the recipe card.
Things are going to get messy in Sauceria for a while.
How do we solve this case? We must find the lost cards!
I can't hear them.
Catchabee, you're going to get caught.
Huh? 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 What?
Guys! You'll get into trouble for Master Sauce if you sneak into the conference room.
Huh?
If you have nothing to do, go and clean up.
Yes, sir. It looks like Cuckoo ran away to Sauceria. Ha! Da-da-da-da-da-da! I'm exhausted. My spirit energy is...
Cleaning doesn't suit you, Nessus.
We've done enough. Let's go to my place and play.
Okay.
What's that?
Is it a puppy?
It's green. Maybe it's a frog egg.
Huh? Isn't it a puppy?
Hey, what are you, huh?
Aha! I was prepared for this. It's going to wake up if we tickle it.
Oh, I think the puppy is hungry. Let's cook something nice for it.
Yes, yes!
I have a delicious recipe. Here it is.
Let's see. We need some ketchup, sausages, mushrooms, and eggs.
Oh.
Very nutritious. That's perfect, sis.
Let's start cooking quickly.
Bam!
Ta-da!
Eggs, eggs!
Huh?
Wow!
Huh?
I am back! That was really delicious. Do you all go to Hungry School?
Yes, we are from Hungry School. We are the best at our school.
Really?
Of course. Right, guys?
Yes, we are. Great! Then can you help me? A heavenly spirit called Cuckoo has fled Sauceria. If we don't find Cuckoo, bad things will happen surely to Sauceria. If Cuckoo already has the recipe card...
Recipe card?
So delicious. Mold!
It's only the beginning. I'll show you the true power of darkness.
I'm going to make a dish using milk. Everyone knows that milk makes bones strong, right?
Yes, sir. What should I make?
Oh!
Shall I shake it?
Wow, you're all doing so well. Wait, what's this smell? Milk! Everyone stop! There's a problem with the milk recipe card.
Guys, what's going on?
I need to go to the